Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this video, I will share some tips and techniques with you. If you want flawless makeup base, keep watching till the end. Let's start with serum. It's this cleansers I have also done. After that, you can apply moisturizer. I'm here I here applying basic soft Nivea cream. If you don't have money, you learn with me. Easy and very cheap. You can see. So let's applying hair moisturizer. So I'm applying here, and you can see I leave it and for few minutes. My English is not good. I'm not saying good. It's not. I'm starting zero with you. You can see my words. I think I'm applying for 52 foundation. Its shade is cheesecake. So first I will take here. It's very fair for me. So I'm mixing here dark foundation because of that. It's not going to my skin type. It's not my skin type. First of you, it's very light. So never you can apply light. I'm mixing here little bit my shade also. I have another foundation. So first don't have dark foundation. So first I will take here dark concealer and mix here also. If you want to start, you can start. I'm mixing it's concealer and I'm mixing here and you can see guys, I don't have foundation dark skin tone, but I'm take concealer and I mix and it's make my skin tone. You also guys, you have also have ideas. Let's start. So you can do anything guys. Don't go my English things. You think it's you don't know which like आई कम बैक इन हिंदी ओके भूल जाना कि मैं कौन सी लैंग्वेज बोल रही हूँ प्लीज लेकिन डोंट गो माय इंग्लिश प्लीज मेरी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज पे फोकस मत करना ओनली टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स पे फोकस करना जो मैं आप लोगों को बता रही हूँ कि यू डोंट हैव स्किन टाइप फाउंडेशन यू हैव ओनली फेयर एंड डार्क फाउंडेशन सो यू टेक अनदर लाइक कंसीलर एंड एनीथिंग एंड मिक्स एंड स्टार्टेड हियर गाइस you can see my favorites blender have also good quality and blend here so you can see my result my flawless face I'm not hide my I don't want it's so much coverage. I want only little bit coverage and it's makeup base. It's only if you want to go like you can do. It's only office makeup. Layering much more layering. So you doing like this. You can see. I am applying concealer. Concealer is very fair. Oh my god. So I'm not applying here much more quantity. I am take little bit quantity. Do you know guys? You have ideas, professional ideas, so you can do anything. Without concealer, it is not possible for me. Always you asking me which one concealer I buy, which one foundation I have to buy. So I suggest you only take Forever 52 Swiss Beauty. It's high demanding. You don't have your pocket is not allowed much more money, and you don't have a good enough money. You don't have much money, so you purchase this one product. It's budget friendly, guys. It's budget friendly. I'm also doing same techniques and tricks. Yes, I know there is many mistakes. My English mistakes, not my makeup mistakes. So please focus only makeup. Don't focus my English because I show you my courage. I can speak English. I know it's my beginning. Yeah, I'm beginner in English, not makeup. Please. I know I have much more mistake in English. I don't know, but one day come in my life and I speak properly and maybe one that day come. Guys, I'm applying this one. It's costly like 150. I'm applying here very cheap product. Budget friendly. I don't say cheap. Budget friendly product. Budget friendly, not friendly. Let's comment in my comment box which mistake I'm doing in speak in English only. Yes, you can comment. You can comment also related to makeup. Asking if you want. You can see guys. Oh, very flawless. Suggest me guys, what can I do? How do I learn English? How to take good communication? It's costly, not much more. It's 500. It's costly. I'm not applying cheap and budget friendly. Oh, it's loose powder and take it. I'm not applying much more. I'm applying here only light. You take brush also first. If you don't want to take brush is not comfortable to applying the loose powder. So I'm taking beauty blender. Sorry, beauty blender you can also take. So here I'm taking pizza puff. Pizza puff. I'm taking powder puff. Yes, you can see guys. Makeup overall done. But I'm applying here mascara. Do you know mascara is very important for me because I don't have lashes, proper lashes. So I'm making fake lashes. You can see. Oh my god, it's very, very difficult. It's budget friendly and carry easily. You can, you if you want to go anywhere, you carry it easily. So I'm not doing dramatic makeup. I'm also doing easily base. So you can see, guys, it's here I'm applying highlighter little bit. It's turn off liner. Many people is struggling to applying liner. Yeah. Yes. It's, if you want second double wing liner, you can do it also. Yes. But it's not good. Let's see. It's doing good. It's not better, but I make better. Yes. Let's turn off eyebrows. I'm filling her eyebrows, and my eyebrows is also better. But I also want to do much more better. Do you know? God give me everything. God give everyone is perfect. God make everyone perfect. But whenever I don't feel natural things, what I can say, I don't know what I can say. Guys, you don't know. You can't believe me. It's my first day to speak in English. I'm trying much more better time, but I don't know what I say, what I can do. Every day, everyone has say doing practice, but I don't know how to do practice. So, you know, everything is perfect. You can go office and you if you want to light makeup, you can do this one. And right now, I'm applying here lipstick. Guys, you can't believe I'm not think in my mind what I can say. In my mind, words come and I speak here. And right now, I'm applying here lipstick. Guys, you can't believe I'm not think in my mind what I can say. Um, in my mind, words come and I speak here. I'm applying here lipstick. Guys, I don't know what I say, what I'm talking here, and I don't know. I'm not thinking anything. These things in my mind come, and I speak here. I don't have like a fear. Anyone come in my comment box and say to me, learn English first and learn that's and that thing. I don't know. I don't care about anything. I'm here only doing practice as I speaking English, and I teach you makeup. I learn English, so it's common for me only. So guys, here is my final tutorial. So if you want to learn anything, you doing comment here, and I'm ready to or my makeup is done. So you want something, learn new things. You let's see. You can see, guys, and I know many people told me what is makeup, what is this, what is it. I don't care. I don't care many things. I'm also so guys. Look at here and tell me. So if you like my blog, my videos, my makeup, comment and tell me and comment here if you want to learn anything. You comment and like guys, you enjoy my blogs and the tutorial here, so please subscribe the channel and like dislike you in your hands. You can promote and you don't care. So guys, I know guys, मैं बताऊं ये I come back in Hindi. I know you. I'm not come back, guys. So comment here, and if you like this tutorial, you comment only comment and on my mistake. I know very well my mistake. Where is my mistake to speaking? If you know my mistake, where is my mega? And you also like me, beginner in English. So you I say to you, please start speak. Wrong right doesn't matter, but today this is my first day to create a video in English only. I know here is I'm not speak proper. I'm not speak proper. You can see I not speak. I don't know what I say. I have in my mind many things. If I can speak Hindi, so I have many things. But I use I come in English. My mind is blank. What I can say. So everyone, if you want to start, please start. Don't doesn't matter. You speak you speak wrong right doesn't matter. Please don't care about and other people. You care only your yourself. If I challenge in myself, because 34 days I improve myself and create video, and please help me to about my English. Please help what is right, what is wrong, and I hope I correct next video something better to speak in English. But I promise to you guys, whenever I come back, in my channel, I'm always speaking English. I don't know what happened in my future. I don't know. I don't know I'm learn or not. Only I hope I will better in my career. So guys, I think I never speak in English. I never. But I'm trying here also with you. So please comment what is wrong, what is right in my English, and what you learn my tutorial makeup. You can see, guys, it's okay. You if you go, you want to go doing makeup office regular as you do, so you can also. It's very light base. It's not much more heavy, much more greasy here. So you can doing same things. So let's see. So guys, we meet in another. We met in another vlogs, and I come back another tutorial. If you comment here, so your wish, I'm comment that things. If you don't comment anything, so I think and that tutorial come. If you comment, please I tutorial come I tutorial. So let's please comment and subscribe for my channel and like, and I don't know what I say. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my tutorial, and thank you.